finally we are returning from the one of the most famous temples out there in India, the one that is located in Ahmedabad, basically in Gandhinagar, which is none other than the Swaminarayan temple located in the city of Gandhinagar, the capital city of Gujarat. And the temple is just amazing. The sheer exuberance, the magnificence, and the intricate carvings on the walls of the temples, outside the lawns, gardens, and the intricate carvings there upon the trees, are just amazing. They have created the elephants out of the trees, and not only that, they have got so many plants and trees beautifully arranged in their garden, along with the fountains that flanks both sides, of the path that takes you inside the temple. And then the magnificent colossal statue made up of the gold of Lord Swaminarayan, located just in the center of the temple, is truly amazing. They're truly amazing. And then there are two galleries inside the temple campus, and the gallery takes you through the life of the Swaminarayan, who was a saint basically, who came on the earth on the day of, I don't exactly remember, sorry for that, but in the year of that too I do not remember, in the decade or somewhere around 1800, somewhere around 1790, and he lived for 49 years. That is exactly what I remember, precisely. And then his life actually transformed the society. Wherever he went, he brought the happiness, joy, transformed the life of the people, and he garnered a lot of followership. And then the followers later on started worshipping him and creating the temple. And the same temple is located in Delhi as well, and the Delhi temple, I remember, is larger than this one, with very big and huge depictions of the stories related with the elephants on the walls around the temple, on the outer walls of the temple. And I actually went there. I visited there quite a many times when I was in Delhi, but here in Ahmedabad also we had a very nice experience. The exhibition that we attended with the 5 halls depicting the various stories associated with the life of Swaminarayan, and apart from that, the depictions from the epics of Mahabharata and Ramayana was again truly amazing. Apart from that, in the end, we attended the water fountain, the water and light show, which was an excellent combination of fire, water, of air, and it was amazing. It was a theater kind of thing, an open theater where the people sat in a hemispherical manner, and in the center was the light show, which told the story of Nachiketana from the Indian mythology. How Nachiketana, a boy merely 9-year-old, showed his brilliant acumen in front of his father, who was actually a saint basically, but he actually was an angry man. And then the Nachiketan was cursed to death, and then he goes to the god of death, that is Dev of Mrityu. And then there happens some interaction between them, wherein the Dev of Mrityu asks him some questions, and later on allows him to ask for 3 boons. And in the third boon that he asks, he actually puzzles, he actually confounds the the Mrityu god, asking him some very bewildering and confusing questions on the death, on life, very philosophical questions. And in the end, also the temple authority, the people who actually created this whole light show, and did the entire play on the note that Swaminarayan was a very nice person. And also throughout the day, like we were there for 4 hours, we kept on hearing, reading, listening about Swaminarayana, his life, the beautiful paintings out there, all the artifacts that were associated with his life, brilliantly and very meticulously and carefully preserved there in the museum, that is a state of the art museum, that is world class museum, which everybody should actually visit at least once in our life. So now moving on to the little beautiful and cute girl that went with us and whose name is Atiba. We would be asking her, Atiba, how was your experience? कैसा लगा तुम्हें?
अच्छा है।
कैसा था बताओ?
अच्छा।
अब बताओ कैसा था?
अच्छा था।
क्या क्या देखा ये बताओ? बताओ क्या क्या देखा? बताओ।
कार देखी।
कार कहाँ से देखी? लाइट शो कैसा था?
अच्छा था।
Well, this is the city of Ahmedabad for you, and we would recommend you to visit this place, which is an awesome place, and must visit this temple, which is the temple of Swaminarayana, located in the city of Gandhinagar near Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat. Jai Swaminarayana, Jai Shri Krishna.